I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you get a notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing some sunglasses that I got from this company called SEEKE. They sent me 4 pairs of their fashion sunglasses. I was able to pick out the 4 that I actually like. I'm excited to try them on and to see also what they look like. If you are interested in any of these glasses that I show, make sure you check out my description box down below. I will have all of them linked down there. Also, I will have a discount code that you can use as well. So here are the sunglasses that I got. Well, these are the packages that they came in. So cute. So 2 of them came in packages like this. And then 2 came in packages like this. 1 gold and 1 black. They're so cute, y'all. These are so cute. I don't know where I want to start, y'all. I haven't seen any of them yet. So we finna just pick one. Alright, so let's start with this one. Okay, so first off, I want to say, like, once you open it, they have the sunglasses in a package, and then they also give you like a little glasses cleaner. Okay. Okay, y'all, these are the first pair. Y'all, so super cute. They are leopard print and they are heart shaped. Y'all, when I seen these, I was like, that is so cute. And it was different. So I was like, I definitely gotta try these. Look at the detail of it. Like, it's giving very much detail. You definitely can see the heart and everything. So cute. Let's go ahead and try them on and see how they look. Okay, y'all, so I have them on. This is what they look like. Okay, I like these. What y'all think about these ones? Let me know how y'all feel about these down below in the comment section. I like these. It's giving very much different, like very much stylish, very much fashion. Alright, so let's get ready to move on to the second one. Actually, y'all, I took a picture of everyone that I got so I can tell y'all the information on it. On the website, these are called EYEWEAR, and they are actually $9.99. Girl, the original price is $39.90, but they have a sale going on right now, so they are $9.99. So go ahead and get you a pair. Alright, so on to the next pair. These are the glasses, and then of course it has a little wiping cloth. Alright, let's go ahead and take off this paper. This is the second pair. These are all black with like a gold trimming around the top. So cute. Let's get ready to try these ones on. Okay, y'all, this is giving very much shade blockers. Very much hater blockers. Like, that's what I'm getting from you. You said what? You shade? Oh, yeah. My shades are very much blocking. Even though these glasses are like pretty big, they actually fit really good for my face. I have like a long oval face, so they're actually complimenting me like really good, if I do say so myself. Let me know how y'all feel about these. These are called Caddy B, and they are actually on sale for $9.99 as well. They are originally $31.98. So if y'all like these ones, go ahead and get you some. These are like, they look like they were like little flowers, but I couldn't really tell. But it's giving like a pink, brown, leopardy color and design as well. And these are like more like squared eyes. These actually have like the wire hard handles. The other two were more like plastic. These are giving like, so far I'm like really feeling these ones. I can't wait to try these on to see what they're gonna be giving. Hold on. The square look is like definitely giving. Normally I don't do glasses like with these shapes, but these right here, I love these. Definitely giving very much fashion, very much prissy, sassy, very much picture perfect. Let me know how y'all feel about these ones. So far, all of these has definitely gave what was needed to be gave. These are called Eleanor and they are on sale for $9.99. They are originally priced $39.90. So go get you some. Go get you some. All right, so on to the last pair. Okay, so these are all black with like a little gold trim along the top, and then the gold handles. Once again, these are wired, they're not plastic. I picked these because I thought this part right here was like very different. So yeah, let's get ready to try on these. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, when I first put these on, the first thing that came to my head was Men in Black. Y'all know on that movie they be wearing them dark shades. I feel like I'm ready to go and investigate something. I'm ready to figure out something. Y'all thought those other ones were shade blockers? These are definitely giving very much shade blockers. Let me know what y'all think about these ones. These are called Geraldine and they are on sale for $9.99. They are originally priced $39.90. Okay y'all, so there y'all have it. That was all of the glasses that I was sent from SEEKE. If you are interested in any of these sunglasses or would like to check out SEEKE in general, make sure you check out my description box down below, as I will have everything linked down below down there. And don't forget to use my coupon code so that you can save some extra dollars off. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And make sure that your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, I will talk to you in my next video. Peace.